I did not always want to become an influencer. When I was in college, I was into acting and modeling. My first video was of a samosa. So I was explaining to the audience from where did the word originate and all of that. And eventually when I was on the streets recording my videos, I realized there were so many humans around me whose story could, be an inspiration to so many people out there. So when Preeti Zinta followed our channel, Stories by Aradhana, so I keep on checking whether she has unfollowed me or not. Every other maybe week or so or 10 days, I keep going back to her profile and I check whether she has unfollowed me or not.
So जब भी लोग Instagram खोलते हैं, there's a lot of videos coming around and एक particular face, एक particular voice you must have noticed and उसके साथ आती है एक amazing सी story of maybe some people, maybe some place, कुछ भी. Let's welcome Aradhana and ladies seat में आज के episode में.
Thank you so much for your kind words. They really mean a lot to me.
So happy to see you here. Yeah.
Same here. I'm so happy to be here and thank you so much for having me here.
Let's talk about एकदम शुरुआत के दिन.
बिल्कुल.
The first video, the first lights camera. Actually, not lights camera, just timer या कुछ भी. So how did it all start?
So for me, I did not always want to become an influencer. When I was in college, I was into acting and modeling. And after that, not many people know, but I also started a food business, a food truck business. But that time COVID happened and it did not yield the kind of results I wanted it to yield. So, I was going through a very difficult time in my life. So I always wanted to do something in the creative space, but I was not sure what to do. So there were many stories around me which inspired me individually. And eventually they inspired me so largely that I thought I took the chance of them inspiring others too. And that's how it started. My first video was of a samosa. So I was explaining to the audience from where did the word originate and all of that. And eventually when I was on the streets recording my videos, I realized there were so many humans around me whose story could, be an inspiration to so many people out there. So that's how I started. So my initial plan was I will see how is the audience, liking my videos. So when I saw that people are pouring in so much of love for the channel, so I kept doing it and I'm what?
You here?
Yeah.
One more thing, have you ever feel कि यार बहुत pressure है, ये करना है, like you have to live up to the expectations of your audience?
See, I won't lie that, views and followers haven't mattered to me. But eventually I've come to realize that there's so much more than views and comments. There's so much more to the journey that we are all a part of, be it a student, a professional. So that realization has really humbled me and made me love my work.
So, how would you differentiate Aradhana online, Aradhana offline?
I think as a personality, it's very similar because what I put out there on social media, I make sure I try my best to do that in my real life too. Because you cannot pretend for a very long time. If you're showing someone out there who is very different to what you actually are, it will not be long until people can really understand what you really are. So I think I'm very real, but it's just that I mentioned, like, I'm not very comfortable posting my personal life out there. What am I doing? And, I'm going out or maybe the way I'm spending my life. So I try to limit myself. I'm still very conscious about putting myself out there. I'm working on it. So my team, my manager tells me, that you have to put your personal life out there for the audience to connect to you.
Snaps banao.
Yeah.
Insta stories.
But I'm really working on it and I maybe hope to do better with that.
If you weren't an influencer,
okay.
तो आज क्या कर रहे हो?
Oh, I love cooking, so I would have been a chef.
That's why the food truck business.
No, that time, that was not the time I enjoyed cooking. It's like a new hobby that I've found, new passion that I've found, cooking. I love cooking and given a chance in the future, I would love to have my own channel where I cook dishes and I put it out there to the audience. So I would have been a chef cum influencer, if you can call it.
Lovely. Ever checked कि किसने unfollow किया?
So when Preeti Zinta followed our channel, Stories by Aradhana, so I keep on checking whether she has unfollowed me or not. Every other maybe week or so or 10 days, I keep going back to her profile and I check whether she has unfollowed me or not.
She
still follows me, yes.
Yeah. And speaking of brand collaboration,
right.
Often we see कि client के बहुत ही weird से demand होते हैं.
Right.
Right. And कुछ ऐसा funniest client brief that you have received ever?
I don't know whether it's funny or not, but what really often happens with me is they come to me, a client comes to me, tells me that Aradhana, we really like how you present your stories. We want it exactly like that. So मैं एक पूरा script पे काम करती हूँ. My team works on it. I send it to the client, and they will tell ये change करो, आप वो change करो. फिर after 4-5 rounds of change, they give me a completely different script of their own, where in the first line I'm saying, come buy this hair oil. So that has happened with me with a lot of brands. But what I've seen is, in the case of brand collaborations, the brands which really go forward with subtle branding, those kind of, you know, pieces or content pieces go better than the other ones, which directly, you know, tells the audience to come buy a product.
So this all space, influencer space, Instagram,
Right.
बहुत ज़्यादा competition driven है.
Yes.
So it's very easy to lose confidence. It's very easy to feel less confident and कि भाई नहीं हो पाएगा, रहने देते हैं. So how do you keep yourself up for this?
Oh, I don't keep myself up. It's not like I have been super confident every day. I'm not always confident. I am confident on some days, and on some days I'm not. So some days I feel very low, I don't feel confident. The other day I try to feel confident. So I think it's a journey, it's a process. No human can feel confident every single day. And when I've seen the kind of impact one reel, you know, makes, we did a video on this old artist who was out there on the streets. He was very old, he had a specially abled son at home. So we had done a video long back, we had done a video on him, and his entire 12-13 years का काम एक हफ्ते में बिक गया था. So that's when I noticed that the kind of impact a simple reel can do. It really can fund someone's surgery. It can really bring customers to a struggling vendor. So those kind of results, those kind of proof has really helped me, you know, understand that it's a long journey, and it's okay if you are not confident every day. It's okay. It's just a process.
Okay, now it's time for the another segment that is called Unfiltered Mic.
Right.
No filter, कुछ भी नहीं, जो बोलना है. You are there, mic is there, camera is there.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So the only thing I want to say is, see, I'm not bigger than you, and I'm really grateful for all the love I've received through all of these years of my journey. But I feel if someone is a homemaker, unfortunately, that's a unrewarded field. You know, people are slogging entire day, घर पे काम कर रहे, but it's not rewarded, economically not rewarded. So it's not economically rewarded. So that is a very sad part. Now, I don't know when will that change, but till then, if someone wants to put their videos out there, I think you should just start it. I mean, even for me, when I started creating content, मैंने सोचा बहुत पहले था और शुरू बहुत बाद में किया. So, you know, I have that little regret that, gosh, I would have started earlier. So, you just do it. I mean, I know it takes a lot of courage to go out there, put yourself out there, to create, to tell stories, to organize stuff. But if you really do what you want to do, and you keep at it, and you keep being consistent, I think that really is very rewarding, and eventually the universe will reward you.
Let's do one rapid fire.
Right.
And you know the drill. क्या होता है rapid fire?
I'm scared.
One Bengali word that describes your mood today.
Chapless. I don't know if that's a
Chapless.
fully Bengali word, but I really use this word a lot. Chapless. Chapless thak. Kichu abe na. Chapless thak. So it really has helped me calm down when I am also very anxious about something.
Stay chapless.
Stay
The
chapless.
toughest part of your job.
I think the feeling of not doing enough. Yeah, so when I do a video on, suppose, anybody, the video goes out there, he earns a certain amount of money from there, or he gets rewarded, I still have that feeling, you know, that I could have done more. So that feeling never goes away.
One cliche you are tired of hearing.
That would be that you're not like other girls, you know, you're so much better than them. So putting someone else down, demeaning someone else's effort can never be a compliment to me.
One thing men should stop saying to women in 2026.
You look better without makeup.
Okay, your go-to song.
My go-to song. So it keeps changing, okay? I have phases. Right now, in the last 2-3 years, I'm really glued to this song, Ban Ke Tera Jogi, Fir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani. So I'm really listening to that like 6-7 times a day.
You have changed a lot of lives, so the ultimate bajate raho moment of your life.
My ultimate bajate raho moment in my life has not come yet.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not come yet. I'm still waiting for that.
Aane wala hai.
Yes.
We have one last surprise for you, and this is from JW Marriott.
Wow, a gift. Who doesn't love gifts? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Lastly, anything for the audience?
It's just that, you know, thank you. I'm very grateful for all the love showered on my channel, Stories by Aradhana. And thank you, Red FM, for having me here. This really means a lot, because when you keep doing work, you know, everybody is a human. So it's important that they keep also getting little recognition, so that it keeps them motivated. So thank you so much for having me here. And please listen to your heart. Keep out all the negativity around you, and just listen to yourself, and your rewards will follow you.
Happy Women's Day.
Yeah, happy Women's Day. Yeah. Never stop believing in yourself.
बजाते रहो